Good morning, Maria. My name is Twinkle. I will be the one taking care of you today.
Good morning, sister.
How are you feeling now?
Oh, sister. I am feeling so tired and my stomach is quite sore.
I am really sorry to hear that. Try not to be worried. I am here to help you. See, Miss Maria, you already had this surgery. This is the reason why you are feeling sick. It is temporary, it will disappear after few hours.
Okay.
Have you experienced any pain or nausea?
Yes, sister. I have felt the same.
It is quite normal after surgery. It is because of the side effects of anesthesia. Nothing to be alarmed about it. If you feel the pain is worsening, feel free to inform.
Yes, definitely, nurse. I will inform you if the pain changes or if it starts to feel worse.
I appreciate your decision. Let me also explain to you that we have already administered pain relief for you. For every medicine has its own time for the action. If it is not improved, let me inform to doctor. He will increase the dosage of the pain medication. Am I clear to you?
Yes, sister.
I would like to explain next step. Is that okay for you?
Yes, go ahead.
Our doctor will visit you in few hours. And your discharge will be based upon your urine out. Usually urine will pass after 3 to 4 hours after surgery. Right now, are you ready to drink water?
Sister, I feel hungry and thirsty. But I am so scared to drink. It may cause vomiting.
Your concern is really valid for me. But I assure you that this is the right time to initiate to drink water. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sister. I will try to drink.
I am really glad to hear that. It is very vital to avoid chances of getting bloating, flatulence and diarrhea. It is very imperative to drink at this time, which will improve your condition by settling your stomach, which is very necessary for your recovery. Moreover, hydration is very important for healing process. Have I made everything clear?
Yes, sister.
Is there anything else you want to ask me?
When I will have my stitches removed?
A reasonable query from your side. These stitches are dissolvable. It will disappear within 2 weeks.
Okay.
And also you can remove your wound dressing in 3 to 4 days. How does that sound?
That sounds wonderful.
I hope you understand everything.
Yes, sister.
May I know, is there anyone accompanying you after the discharge?
Yes. My mother is coming to pick me up and she will stay with me until tomorrow.
That is a great news. If you have any concern after going home, please feel free to contact me. Thank you for listening to me patiently. I wish you a speedy recovery. Have a good day.
Thank you, nurse.